we can use polynomial division for this and to simplify it. We can also use synthetic division because this satisfies the right form, x minus c. So either way, you get the same answer. I can show you both ways here, though. So first off, we're going to do r squared minus 3r minus 53. And then we're dividing it by r minus 9. So we're going to look at the first terms, r squared and r, and divide those. That gives us r. So that's going to be our our answer, the first part of our answer. And then you distribute this into what you had. So r times r minus 9 is r squared minus 9r. You can see I lined up the like terms. Now I can subtract and go from there. R squared minus r squared is 0. You expect 0 to be here. If you don't have a 0 there, you've done something wrong. Negative 3r minus a negative 9r is plus 9r. So 9r minus 3r is going to be 6r. And then minus 53 minus 0 is nothing, so it's just going to be minus 53. Now I can continue the division. So the first term here and the first term here, again, 6r divided by r gives me 6. So it's positive 6, not negative 6. If this were a negative, then you have negative 6r divided by r and be negative 6, but it's not. So 6 times, and once again into here, 6 times r is 6r, which is again what we want, the same thing. 6 times negative 9 is negative 54, right? Now we're going to subtract. 6r minus 6r is 0. That's what we expect. Negative 53 minus negative 54 plus negative 50 or plus 54 is just going to be 1. And you can see here now, if we were to divide this by r, we get a fraction 1 divided by r. That's not what we want. There's no r remaining, so this is our remainder. So the answer is r plus 6 and then with a remainder of 1. So in essence, what this answer is going to be r plus 6 plus the remainder divided by the same fraction we had before. That's what this thing breaks down into. Now, of course, we can just use synthetic division to do this really quickly. X minus c, right? Here, x is just r, but that doesn't really matter. 9 is what we're looking for here. And then we want the coefficients. We have 1, negative 3, and 53. So 1, negative 3, and negative 53. So we add going straight down, there's nothing there. Then multiply going up. Multiply by this number. 1 times 9 is 9. Add going straight down, minus 3 plus 9 is 6. Multiply going up. So 6 times 9 is 54. Add going straight down, that gives us 1. And that's it. There's nothing else here, so that's where we stop. So we start with this number. This is our constant. And then we start multiplying by powers of r. This would be by r, and the next number would be r squared. The next one would be r cubed. But you can see here, this is all we have. This is going to be r plus 6 with a remainder of 1. So we plus 1 over the divisor, r minus 9. So you can see we get the exact same answer no matter which way we do it. Synthetic division is just an easier way for this problem.